Welcome to another Sewing for a Living tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to fix your torn jeans without sewing. I'm going to show some other techniques to fix this problem as well in upcoming videos, so you might want to watch this as well.
Here I have some pairs of jeans that my daughter destroyed, mostly at the knees, so that's where I'm going to work on. I've decided that it would be better if I make a separate video for each technique I use to fix torn jeans instead of combining them all in one. So if you are interested in other options, please watch my other videos on this type of alteration, which I'll link to in the description. I'm going to show 4 different ways we use to fix torn jeans that I do often for my family and for clients as well. You can pick your fix with your exact problem in mind and the result you are willing to achieve. I'm going to start with my personal favorite that does not include sewing. For this example, I'm going to use fabric glue. I like it that much because it saves me a lot of time and produces results that are as good as, if not better, than the ones with sewing. When you glue the patches, you don't need to open the side seams around the ripped area so that you can sew. That saves a lot of time. You do need to make sure that the glue you are using is one of good quality and strong enough to provide lasting results. First, you need a piece of denim fabric for the patches. Cut the patch so that it covers the hole as well as some of the fabric around it that has gone worn off. I'm going to use these zigzag scissors that prevent the patch's edges from fraying. If you don't have one, you can search or zigzag the edges. I don't measure, I just eyeball it. If you prefer, you can measure prior to cutting the patches. Once I have the patches, I need to glue them to the inside of the jeans. First, I'm going to turn the jeans inside out. I like to put plastic bags inside the legs to prevent the glue to go through and stick to the back side of the leg. This doesn't usually happen because jeans are thick enough, but I like to be extra cautious, especially on clients' jeans. I'm going to position the patches where I'm about to glue them. I'm going to start applying the glue. First, I'm going to put some glue around the hole itself. Make sure to go around the fabric that has gone worn off as well, so the glue sticks to the strong fabric around it. Then put some glue on the face side of the patch, but not too close to the edge so it doesn't spill out when you press the patch to the jeans. I use this particular brand of fabric glue because it is really strong and I have never had someone complaining about the patches falling off. I used to buy it on Amazon but can't find it there lately, so I buy it in a local shop. There are other good ones on the market as well. Just do some experimenting on scraps before you go for the actual jeans to make sure that the glue you've picked is going to do the job. Be careful to position the patch well and press nicely with your hands. I like to leave the jeans for 24 hours like this so that the glue sticks nicely to both layers of fabric. Then turn the jeans inside out and you are ready. Here I have another pair that used to have that worn-off effect, which transformed into actual holes over time. I'm going to follow the same steps and glue some patches under the holes. This turned out to be a durable and lasting solution to the problem that is also pretty cheap. And last but not least, saves a lot of time and effort. The last repairment those jeans need is to fix the torn belt loop here, but if you have that issue as well, go on and watch the video I made on how to fix a torn belt loop. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.